Hmm. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hello everyone. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
Hello ma'am.
Yeah. So we were discussing about a sentence, right, in the last class. Our
Yes
sentence
ma'am.
was Riya and Ram are friends. So what are the nouns in this
Riya,
sentence?
Ram.
Okay.
Riya
What
and
is my
Ram.
subject?
The subject is Riya and Ram.
Yes. So this will be my subject. So what pronoun can I replace Riya and Ram with?
They.
Remember? Yeah.
They.
Good job. So we say they are friends. So what are we doing here? We are using a plural pronoun because there are two people. So here they will be our subject pronoun. You can just write this down. So whenever you use pronouns like they, we, them, or us, all these are plural pronouns. You use it when you have plural noun, like more than one thing or like one person or one animal or anything, depending on the sentence. Done writing? Shall we go to the next one?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so the next category is called object pronouns. So this is the second part of who is that? So this is the second part of personal pronouns. That is object pronouns. So we'll take an example. So what is my sentence here?
I am eating ice cream.
What is my subject? Look carefully.
I. The subject
Okay.
is I. Eating.
And what about the predicate?
Ice cream.
Okay. So what is my noun here? The sentence is, I am eating ice cream. What can be my noun in this sentence?
The noun in the sentence is ice cream.
Yeah, so ice cream is a noun. Now, we can also consider this as an object. So, what pronoun can I use to replace the word ice cream?
To replace the word ice cream,
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah, so I say, I am eating it. So you can also say, I bought an ice cream. I am eating it. That would rather make it a complete sentence.
Say again sentence.
Yeah, okay. So we have the sentence, I am eating ice cream, right? Here, identify the noun first. It is ice cream. Eating is the verb. So when we replace the word ice cream, that is a noun, with a pronoun, we get I am eating it. So we replaced the noun with it. So this becomes our object pronoun. Ice cream is nothing but it is an object in this sentence. So what is an object? An object is,
Is a thing.
yeah, so it is a thing in which an action is being done. Like look at the sentence. You say, I am eating ice cream. So eating is a action here. And what comes after the verb is the object. And you can also say object pronouns come after a verb. So if you want to identify object pronouns, you can read the sentence and after the verb, you will have to replace the noun with an object pronoun. So just write this down and let me know after you finish writing.
Ma'am, we have done.
Okay, you have completed good. What about the others?
No.
Okay, yeah, right.
Tense.
Okay.
Finish.
Good. What about Vedika and Gurvaris?
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. So object necessarily doesn't mean something that is non-living. After reading the sentence, find out what comes after the verb. So on what the action is being done, that will be our object. And there we will have to use our object pronouns.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll take another example. So all these pronouns are normal pronouns. They're